Hello from your heating and cooling team at 365 Cool. Here are 6 things to know before starting your furnace or boiler this season. Inspect and clean your boiler or furnace. Make sure to switch your thermostat from air conditioning mode to heat mode. Remember to replace your filters if you have a furnace. Make sure the pilot light is on. Make sure nothing is leaning up against the furnace or boiler. Proper clearance is about 24 inches on each side. And lastly, on initial start, you may smell an odor. If odor lingers for more than 5 to 10 minutes, turn the system off and call 365 Cool. At 365 Cool, we're your heating and cooling team. You can reach us at 888-782-3195 or schedule an appointment through 365cool.com. Here's an exclusive coupon specifically for this video.